Hey guys, this is Alex, and today we're gonna be doing a tune-up on a 2008 Mazda 3 2.3 liters. So we're gonna start with the spark plugs. As you can see, this spark plug was right here. We're gonna clean the throttle body. We're gonna do the oil change. We're gonna make sure that this baby's running good. Okay, so first thing, it doesn't have a battery because I already took it off. So we're doing the spark plugs now. See these 10mm all threaded studs going here, so got them out too. As you can see, I already got the first spark plug. What I do is just clean the coil real good. If you're gonna do a job, try to do it as best as you can. Okay, and put the first spark plug in already. So now put the coil back in, line it with the hole where the 10mm all threaded stud goes. See? Today I'm using different tools, so as you guys can see, I'm not using sockets, just using a offset 8mm wrench. Now we're gonna do the second one. Uh-oh. Now we got a problem here. Christ. We got a problem. Okay, so the coil is messed up, so we're gonna let the customer know, or the owner of the car. So you can see the top part of the coil. You can see the spring. The bottom part didn't come out. It's right here. So I'm gonna get my needle nose to pull it out. Okay guys, so we're gonna try to put the coil out. We did. We succeeded. Yay. Okay, so what we're gonna try to do now is put it back together, see if it works. And if it doesn't work, we're gonna have to tell the owner of the car that she needs to replace that coil. Okay. Okay. Keep moving. We're gonna get the second spark plug out. Okay. Okay, we got it out. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, we are doing this accordingly. We're doing our SDF protocol. Okay. Okay, that one's good. I'm gonna try to put this one in, see if it works. Oh wow. Okay. So So put this one back in. Okay. Doing the second one. Tighten the 8mm all-threaded stud. It's a good idea. Okay. Then we connect the electrical plug. And we need to make sure that this thing is tight. So please double check. See, it's not there yet, but okay. We got the. I'm gonna get the third spark plug out. Okay. Now, when I started working in this car, first day, I did an inspection and it started really rough. So hopefully after the tune-up it's gonna be working smooth, right? Hopefully we're gonna do our best to make this baby run smooth. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Okay. Okay, so after we're done with the tune-up, we're gonna scan it, see if everything looks and it's right. Okay, put in the third coil and all threaded 8mm stud. Get a grip on it. Okay. Plug the electrical plug. Take the last coil out. Take the last coil out and take the last spark plug out. Okay. Okay, it doesn't look too bad either, but it's what it is. Okay, put it back in. Tighten it. Okay, now we're done with the spark plugs. Okay. 8mm hot thread stud. Put it in, tighten it. Okay. Connect the electric plug. Okay, we're done with that. I'm gonna check the lubes. Antifreeze looks good. Power steering fluid. It's a little bit, so we're gonna add a little bit to it. Okay. Power steering is good now. Check brake fluid. Seems to be good. Okay. What else? We're gonna take the throttle body.